Okay, so if you've never seen a Smart 4.3 car before, you will now, because Jalli's driving and her seat is so far forward, there's actually space for another person behind. Say hello. Fantastic. Okay, so we're now at day 3 in Zakynthos, and today we've reserved for the Shipwreck beach, which is a very large ship that was smuggling cigarettes in the 80s and then got discovered on this beach. I don't know the full history, so I'll do a voiceover when we're there. But to get to that beach, you can't actually go by land. You have to go to one of the nearby beaches, which is where we're at now, which is called
Portoromi Beach.
Portoromi Beach, and then from here we take a boat around to the Shipwreck beach. Let's go. Okay, so further to that last message, this is one of the perks of coming during the off-peak season to Zakynthos. They're not doing regular boat trips to the Shipwreck beach, and what they are doing is private hire boat trips, which are like 6 times the price, 5 times the price. So normally it's 30 euros, they're taking 160 euros at a discounted rate to take us there. So we're going to leave that one for the moment, but we're going to go back up the mountain, get some really nice drone footage, but then we're also going to go to the Shipwreck beach viewpoint, from where you can see the Shipwreck beach and the shipwreck, and we're going to fly our drone from there to see if we can get close to the shipwreck and see it regardless of actually being there. And then we may try and go in person to the beach on another day, maybe when the weather's better. That's also another thing, the weather's really bad, so what they said, which is a good thing, is that if they do go out and the waves are really bad and they have to come back, they won't take any money. But I get quite seasick, so I'll probably not be too well on that one. So yeah, let's keep going.
So this is our official viewpoint for Shipwreck Beach, and well, view is not very good from here, so we just go and do a bit of hiking to get a better view. The water is really blue here.
So we're now heading towards an even better spot, which is right on the edge of the cliff.
Bobby, I'm getting fed now. We shouldn't be there.
Okay, so further back that way was the official viewing point, but we bought some almonds and some alcohol from this guy, and he told us this point is even better. So we came here. It's a bit of a hike, but behind us there, between us, you can see is the Shipwreck beach that we were originally going to go and visit by boat, but this view is like 10 times better. It's a bit of a hike. It's not for it's not that easy if you're not used to heights, but when you get here it's really worth it, and the water is really blue. I mean, it's food coloring, we all know, but it's blue.
It's real blue.
Look at that, amazing. So Shipwreck Beach, also known as Navagio Beach or Smuggler's Cove, is a beach on the coast of Zakynthos that has become famous and become one of the prime attractions of the island because of the ship that in the 1980s ran aground due to stormy weather and was apparently carrying illegal items. So ever since, it's been featured in a movie, and it's one of the main places to see in Zakynthos. Okay, so one interesting fact if you look at the profile of this piece of rock, it actually looks like a crocodile. That's it really, nothing more.